Hey y'all, welcome back. Now you know there's nothing I love more than transforming the hell out of a wig, and today's tutorial is no different. I know you saw those gorgeous wand curls, so make sure you stay tuned. There's a lot going on. Now let's introduce Glory Olivia, an ombre gradient unit that is full of texture, full of coils, kinks, and a gorgeous color. And the great thing about this unit is there's no lace, there's no parting space, so there's no need for leave out, and you get the essence of natural textured hair. And it's perfect for those who want something that looks super realistic, and you still have so many options. Now this is a 3B 3C texture, super kinky, coily, and just gorgeous. They did a great job capturing the natural texture. And of course, you guys know I always go into co-wash my units to relax the curls, especially for the style that we're doing today, because you need to first cleanse the hair and get the true pattern and then detangle, because we are going to be going in to blow dry this unit. And whenever I apply any type of heat, I always use a heat protectant serum. This one is silicone based, so it glides across the hair. It's really good. A lot of my viewers tell me I do the most, so this is regular for me. But with this particular unit, I wanted to go in and detangle the hair. So what we're trying to do is build even more volume in preparation for these wand curls, but also we're detangling because we do want to go into blow dry. This is a little bit tedious, so take your time, sis. By the time you're done detangling, the volume will have increased. It's so much hair on this unit, which is so good. I love that it's super full and dense. And my next step is to go in, and I have an attachment on my blow dryer. It's on the highest setting, and I'm just, taking a few passes through each medium-sized section. Keep in mind, I'm not trying to blow dry the hair straight in any way. I want it to still have that texture, to have that volume, because that all leads to a more voluminous, even more natural look. After blow drying, we're pretty much ready to start moving on to the final steps for the heat styling. But look at how gorgeous this is. You could wear this like this, if I'm gonna be honest with you. Just trim the ends first. Now I'm taking medium, small medium sections, and I'm going to first apply a bit of hairspray. So this is a holding spray. It's the High Insta Hold spray by Got To Be. It offers great hold, and I'm using a wand curler. Now, because I like my curls to be super defined and tight, I like to hold the curl in place, again spraying it with the holding spray, and then I pin it in place. Now here's the big T. If you can, you definitely want to allow your curls to set overnight. That's how you get the best results.
Ryan Little.
I added a few close-ups so you guys can see how to wrap the sections of hair around the wand curler, which is really important when you take into account I want really tight, very tight and pronounced wand curls. As another tip, before you begin the process of wrapping the hair around the wand curler, you can take the actual barrel of the curler and you want to slide it against the sections of the hair from the top and the bottom, and then go in to wrap it. This can also create a tighter curl, allowing for better definition. I've done the wand curl style here on my channel before, but I wanted to do it where I didn't have any leave out. There's no lace, there's no gel, there's no glue, there's no part where you have to really install this unit. It's all about just placing it on your head. And so to those of you who may be experiencing hair loss, you're looking into more options, more natural wigs, and this is the perfect time to get a bomb unit at a fraction of the cost. This is a great time to purchase. Okay, we want the slay, but we want to save those coins as well. So use the code Friday and you can get up to 60% off. And depending on when you're watching this, you can use the code PINK for $5 off. It will be active. Now, when I first put the unit on, it kind of sent me, but you know, we move. Now, taking down the curls is very important. Add a little bit of oil to your hands. I use jojoba oil as I was simply just removing the double prong clips from the curls. I'm not going in to separate them just yet. This is about going in and taking the curls down. And how do we feel about this color? This color is gorgeous. Ooh, I love the dimension, the two-tone, the gradient, it works. They did a really good job. Now for the next step, I'm going to apply a bit more of the jojoba oil to my hands because now it's about separating the curls. And you can separate each curl into 2 to 3, perhaps even 4 smaller sections. If you want less volume, split these sections fewer times. Splitting the hair or separating the curls into smaller sections, but wrapping them around my fingers. And your fingers are moisturized, so that should help to reduce frizz. But I love frizz. Okay, when it comes to a curly wig, we get into frizz because that's more realistic, that's more natural. But as long as it does not take away from the essence and the aesthetic of the style. Once all of the curls are separated, I went in with this wide tooth comb that has the elongated teeth to go in and create a little bit of volume closer to the wefts. This is a great comb. It doesn't disrupt the length of the curls. It helps to just lift the hair and create that volume. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of customization for this unit so that it suits my face shape. Of course, it will be different for you. I went with a bit of a side part because the last time I did wand curls, I gave you guys a middle part. So I'm switching things up. And you know, throughout this tutorial, I was like, I love this, but I want to make this style even more fly. I want even more volume. So I went back in with that same comb that we used earlier. And I just starting from the ends, I just started combing and teasing the curls, just seeing where it takes me. And that's how you start to have fun with your slay. This is a human hair wig. You should be able to have all the fun that you want. Y'all saw this, so let me know. Do you like the wand curls when they are first complete, or do you like them when we teased them and combed them out and made a more fuller, more dramatic look, giving very much Donna Summers? Let me know in the comment section. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, meet me in the comments, and also subscribe, join the family. I appreciate you. We have fun here, and I hope I see you in the next one.